Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your headphones BEATS Solo3. And the first one is more top trick for the Android devices, to iPhone, that to Android. Because on Android you have an application and you should install it. But if you have iOS, you just pair your headphones with the phone and just open settings, and right here you will have the same as what Android users have in the application. Next, you don't need to use your phone when you listen to music or watching a movie. You can use controls on your headphones. And right here at the left headphone we have actually controls. So right here with the BEATS logo, it's a multifunctional button, and you can press and hold. You can play or pause the song. You can play next track by press 2 times on this multifunctional button. You can play previous track by press 3 times on this multifunctional button. You can also increase the volume. Right here we have right here at the top we have the control also, and you just press on it and you will increase the volume, and below this multifunctional button we have a control to volume down your music, so you can easily use this gesture. Next one, I test the microphone on these headphones, and these headphones have a good microphone. I hear myself clearly when I spoke normally and softly. Also I tested with background sounds, and these headphones do not mute background sound, but you can still hear your own voice clear. So it's a good one. And the last one, if you have some trouble with your headphones and you want to fix it, you can easily perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, you need to press volume down button, what located below the multifunctional button right here, and the power button, and you just press and hold it. This LED light starts flashing, you just wait, and then you reconnect your headphones, and it can fix a lot of problem with your headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!